Most people follow the map, but for me, the story begins where the map ends. If you want to see new places, do things your own way, and live with purpose, you're in the right place.
I'm Ethan, raised in the beautiful Pacific Northwest, specifically North Central Washington. Now I live in Southwest Washington. I grew up in the Boy Scouts, which taught me to love the outdoors and to serve others. That calling led me to be a full-time firefighter, a childhood dream come true. And off-road driving, that started the day I got my license. Whether it was the Toyota pickup that I learned to drive in, a pair of Jeep Cherokees, or now my current F-150 Tremor, the road less traveled has always pulled me. Here's what my channel name means: off track, on purpose. Off track is choosing your own adventure, not following someone else's path or what someone else thinks your path should be. On purpose is living intentionally, true to who you are, not who others expect you to be. And 360, it's my area code, yes, but it also means doing all of it 100% in every degree and direction of your life. Here's what to expect on this channel.
Rugged backroad explorations where beauty, challenge, and peace collide. Honest gear reviews, what works, what doesn't, what's worth your money. Everyday carry setups that actually make sense for daily life, on the road or in the field. And dives into real-world emergency prep. No hype, just ready. If you're the kind of person who craves authenticity, discoveries off the beaten path, and wants gear that's tested where it matters most, you're in the right place. This channel is us, going off track, living with purpose, together. Hit subscribe. Let's find those hidden roads together.